Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will explain you some of the rules in writing the electronic configuration of an atom. So friends, there are mainly three rules in writing the electronic configuration of an element. So the first rule is Pauli's exclusion principle, and the second rule is Hund's rule, and the third rule is Aufbau principle. This Aufbau principle is also called as building up principle. So first I will explain you about Pauli's exclusion principle. So friends, first coming to the Pauli's exclusion principle. It is very simple. Pauli's exclusion principle is nothing but, we know that atomic number of an element. If we take helium atomic number is 2. Means the atomic number is equal to the number of electrons that are present in the element. As the atomic number of helium is 2, number of electrons present in the element helium is also 2. So we have to add the electrons in the orbitals, not orbits, orbitals of an atom until the electrons which are added to those orbits are equal to its atomic number. Means if take this is the helium atom, we have to add 2 number of electrons. So here we can add 2 number of electrons. How much we are adding? We are adding only 2 number of electrons. Why? Because the atomic number is also 2. So the number of electrons added to the orbitals of an atom should be equal to its atomic number. This is called as Pauli's exclusion principle. Means we have to add the number of electrons equal to its atomic number. This is called as Pauli's exclusion principle. So friends, coming to the second rule, that is Hund's rule. So if we take an atom, this is the atom, this is the nucleus, and we are having the orbital S in orbit K, and we are having the orbitals S, P in orbit or shell of L. So this is atom. Now coming to the Hund's rule, the electrons start pairing with these orbitals when these orbitals of same energy or degenerate orbitals. Here degenerate orbitals is nothing but the orbitals which are having the same energy are called as degenerate orbitals. Now the degenerate orbitals like sp, the electrons start pairing, means electrons start joining in these orbitals when these orbitals, degenerate orbitals, are singly occupied. Means these degenerate orbitals must have one electron, minimum one electron, then only it will come to the another, it will occupy, it will start pairing with the orbital. If we take an example, if the take the electronic configuration 1s2. 1s2 is the electronic configuration of helium element. So these 2 number of electrons were added when one electron is already joined. This is called as Hund's rule. Now coming to the third rule. And the definition of Hund's rule is an electron starts pairing with an orbital when the orbitals of same energy when the degenerate orbitals are singly occupied. Means it will start pairing with the orbital when they are singly occupied, and all the orbitals must have same amount of energy, nothing but degenerate orbitals. Now coming to the third rule, Aufbau rule. Aufbau rule is also called as building up rule, building up principle. So we have to remember the formula n plus L. This is the formula you have to remember. N is nothing but principal quantum number and L is nothing but azimuthal quantum number. Now if we take the electronic configurations 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 4s, 3s, 3p, 4s. So the value of n for subshell S for 1 is 1, 1 plus value of L for subshell S is 0, so it is 1. So the value of n for second orbit is 2 plus, and value of L for subshell S is 0, so it is 2, and the value of n for second orbit is 2, and value of L for subshell P is 1, it is 3, and the value of n for orbit 3 is 3 plus value of L for subshell S is 0, equal to 3. So if we keep it aside, now Aufbau rule or building up rule is nothing but the electron starts joining with the orbitals with lower energy level. Lower energy level. It will join the orbital which is having lower energy, and if both orbitals are having same lower energy, then it will join which are having less n plus 1 value. N plus 1 value is nothing but these values are called as n plus L values, and if n plus L values are also same, then they will choose the orbital which are having least n value. N value is nothing but this value 1, 2, 2, 3. So like this the electrons will be joined in the orbitals. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.